Malakas at Maganda, The Legend of the First Filipinos. Ito ang kwento tungkol sa unang lalaki at unang babae ayon sa alamat ng Pilipinas. This is the story of the first man and woman according to Philippine legends. Noong unang panahon, bago pa lang ginawa ni Bathala ang daigdig, may isang makulay na ibon na lumilipad sa langit. Once upon a time, when the world was still newly created by a god called Bathala, a colorful bird was flying in the sky. Ang pangalan ng ibon na ito ay Ibong Adarna. The name of the bird was Ibong Adarna. Ang Ibong Adarna ay pagod na pagod. Matagal na itong lumilipad, naghahanap ng lugar na pwede siyang makapagpahinga. Pero ang nakikita lang niya ay puro karagatan. Ibong Adarna was very tired. He has been flying for a long time. He was looking for a place to rest, but all he could see were oceans. Sa wakas, nasulyap ng Ibong Adarna ang maraming berdeng isla, kumikinang na parang mga esmeralda. Ang pangalan ng grupong isla na ito ay Pilipinas. At last, Ibong Adarna spotted a cluster of green islands sparkling like emeralds. It was called the Philippines. Ang Ibong Adarna ay bumaba sa puno ng kawayan na makapal. Tinuka niya ito dahil gusto niyang malaman kung ano ang nasa loob ng kahoy. Ibong Adarna landed on a bamboo tree with trunks that were very thick. Curious, he pecked at the trunk to see what was inside it. Laking gulat ng ibon nang bumuka ang punong kawayan at lumabas ang isang lalaki at isang babae. The bird was very surprised when the bamboo tree broke open and out came a man and a woman. Ang pangalan ng lalaki ay Malakas. Ang pangalan ng babae ay Maganda. The name of the man is Malakas. The name of the woman is Maganda. Malakas means strong. Maganda means beautiful. At dito magwawakas ang kwento ng unang lalaki at unang babae sa Pilipinas. This is where the story of the first man and the first woman of the Philippines ends. Ang mga Negritos ay isa sa mga unang tao na nanirahan sa Pilipinas. Sila ay magaling na mangangaso. The Negritos were one of the first people who lived in the Philippines. They were good hunters.